AI for property management. Automate tenant requests and maintenance. Property managers spend 60% of their time on tenant communication. AI handles 80% of it. Maintenance requests. Tenant messages. Heater not working. S.C.A.L.A creates a ticket. Priority classification. Emergency. After-hours plumber dispatched. Routine. Scheduled for Tuesday. Rent reminders. Automatic. Friendly. With payment links. New tenant onboarding. Move-in checklist. Key collection. Utility setup. All via WhatsApp. Scale from 10 to 1,000 units. Same AI, same response time. 97 euros per month per portfolio. Get-S.C.A.L.A.com/S.C.A.L.A.